Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to check for updates in Windows 11. Here you can go and search for Windows Update. So this one is Windows Update settings. You can go here. And now here you can see these are the updates. So simply you can go and click on install button. Also on the top here you can see this one, download and install. So this one is currently downloading 57%. You can also go from here and you can pause the updates from here. Now let's go back this PC and right click, then show more options, then click on manage button. And here you can go services and applications, then services, then press W. You can also scroll down from here. This one, make sure that this one is running automatic, and you can start it from the here, then click on apply button. So in this way you can easily download new updates in your Windows laptop.